couldn't eat already. I apologized. I said I cannot eat because I was still sick. I couldn't eat. Finally, we went back and we stayed another night there. We slept another night. In the morning already, we said the train is going further. The bridge is repaired. And we went till Košice. We came to Košice on a Friday. Those two guys who took us, so one gave me his address. If I'm gonna come to Košice, I should come to visit him. And we were still the 5 girls together. We went all over together from that time. We were in one camp. And it was Friday morning, Friday lunchtime, I think we came in and we went to look for him and we found the address and we came in and he was home already. It was his house and his mother-in-law was there. The wife had small children. I don't know if she ever survived. And I never forget, she gave us stuffed cabbage to eat. We ate. And she said we should stay for Shabbos there, we shouldn't go, but you know, that time we didn't want to stay, we going. There was a train at night, we going, we continue going. And we went away till Chop. In Chop, we were waiting for another train to go already home. So a train came in and I see my uncle. This was my father's sister's husband. His name was Meyer Market. He was very happy to see me and he said, where you go? No, wait a minute. I'm mixing things. No, it wasn't that time. This was later. We went and Chop. The train came from Chop. It's really not far from Chop till Bederle. Chop, it's not far. But I don't know, we went for hours. We came in, it was already 1 o'clock midnight, after midnight.
It takes hours from Chop.
So there was no room in the wagons. There was room, but there were Russian soldiers, and we were afraid to go in the train. So we went up on top of the train. Nobody believes me that I was traveling on top of the train on the roof. There were 5 girls and 2 men.
So many fell down.
And we went, no, it wasn't dangerous. It's plenty room, you know, we didn't get up, we sit down, we were sitting. And we was traveling on the roof till Hust. In Hust already I was thinking in Bedervla the train stops for a minute because it was not long. Just the people go off and on and it goes further that I'm not going to have time to get off from the roof. The other girls traveled till Teresva. Because they were from Kalin and then they took the small train to Kalin. So me and my cousin, she didn't go up. She stayed, she went in the train. She didn't want to go on the roof. And so in Hust, I said, no, I have to go down.